Hey everyone! If you're seeing the Roblox encountered an unexpected error memory dump message, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a quick and effective fix to help you get back into the game. Just follow each step carefully. First, click on the search bar in Windows and type Exploit Protection. Then open it from the results. Once it opens, click on Program Settings. Now select Add Program to Customize and then choose Choose Exact File Path. Next, we need to locate the Roblox file. Click Browse and go to the folder where Roblox is installed. If you didn't change the install location when downloading Roblox, you'll find it in the default location, just like I'm showing on the screen. After that, open the Versions folder. You may see multiple version folders here. Make sure you select the newest one. Inside that folder, click on Roblox Player Beta, then click Open. Now scroll down through the settings, and here's the important part. Turn off Control Flow Guard and also turn off Hardware Enforced Stack Protection. Once both of these are disabled, click Apply to save the changes. Now go ahead and restart your computer. This step is very important, so don't skip it. After your PC restarts, open Roblox again and check if the unexpected error memory dump problem is gone. And that's it. After completing these steps, your Roblox memory dump error should be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick tech fixes.